Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P for Monday, Feb 7th, 2011. We had a nice move overnight. These profiles here, this is what occurred overnight, this is what occurred today, and this is what occurred on Friday. So we knew that the support area in around 1300 or so was an area we're looking at as a potential support. Never did get down there, but instead the market rallied up and made new highs from last week in the overnight session here. As you can see, it stayed above last week's high when the market opened in the regular trading hours right here and had a good move higher, although it did back off a little bit at the end of the day here. So things are still looking positive, and at this stage we will look to the approximately 1313 area as support, right in around here. Right about here is support, and then down here around 1310. So we got a couple of areas here that we're going to monitor, still obviously in the intraday up auction as the market continues to confirm that. These profiles here are just from the regular trading hours only, which is 9:30 to 4:15 Eastern Time. You can see here in our we had actually about an average range, but you can see how the market gapped here. We only had one signal here, which was a short. Getting short in here, it went sideways for some time and then came down. It was in the neutral filter, so the kind of trade that is optional. Some of our traders would have taken it, some would not have. We are in the intraday up auction, so that it had that going against it. So strictly from a mechanical standpoint, it would not have been traded. Not really mechanical standpoint, but using our two out of three approach. Intraday was up, intraday was sideways, and we had a short trade not near a known barrier. So in that sense, it would have been a more aggressive trade. We want to reach our first objective rather quickly, which the market did do. So from that standpoint, it worked out pretty nice. So that's really it for today. Just a pretty quiet day, even though the market was up a bit, of course, because of that gap up. So any questions or comments, don't hesitate in getting hold of us. Be reached at info@eminidaytrader.com. Always look forward to hearing your comments and answering your questions. So that'll be it for today. Up auction continues, and we'll look at 313, 310 as good support areas. Thanks, and bye for now.